Kicha, and today we're going to do some more unboxing. But before that, I have to say to you all something. Please do subscribe and hit that bell to get notified on all my unboxing. These coming days, I'm going to unbox so many toys and we'll have lots of fun. And don't forget about giveaways. So let's dig right in. So here I got a surprise box from Amazon. As you can see, I don't know what it is. It's going to be a surprise. So let's see. Okay, so almost got right in. Yes, we did it. Get out. This is what always happens. A box first, you're like, oh, just one layer. It's okay, but then another layer. Yes. The next layer. I think now it should open. Yes. Whoa! It's a PUBG gun. As you can see, it's the Uzi submachine gun, and it has. It's actually a water bullet gun, and I'm really happy because of this. Many of my friends play PUBG, and I know this gun. It's a Uzi, and I have one that's really powerful. It's with a suppressor over here, and it's really fun. There are two types of ways you can shoot it. So I just read that there are these small crystal balls, which if you put it into the gun, you can shoot it. But to make them crystal balls, they're going to be a little soft. You have to put it in water for 4 hours, and they become these small balls. And if you put it in the sun for too long, it will become small. So you can make it again. So over here it says there are 1,000. That means there will be 2 packets of crystal water bullets. High speed and accurate target. Let's unbox this. Awesome. Let's take it out. Whoa. And it also comes with a laser sight. With yellow plastic balls. And you have these, as I told, I think these are 500 the balls, crystal balls. So here's a small container where you can keep your balls, as you can see, the water balls, and it will expand. You just put some water in it. In the game also we have this laser sight, and it now doesn't have battery, I think. Let's see. Let's try it off. Yes, it's here. It's really cool. Good for aim. Precisely aiming. Aiming. So now the big boy. Let's switch it off. Now the big boy, the gun. This gun looks amazing. How to reload this? I think it's not reloaded. Reloadable. So where are the yellow plastic balls? So I think this is where you keep the bullets, and this is where you keep the laser sight. After a long time of putting it in, finally I got it in. You can aim it like this. So over here, you open the small red handle here. Pretty small. What you do is reload on it, and as you can see the laser, and I'll shoot it. Whoa! Where's the gun? Hands up, I'm gonna shoot you. Just kidding. I can loosen it. Oh, I think this is a suppressor or just a small type of part of it's a silencer. It silences the shot. Let me just. So as you can see here, we have Uzi. I really loved it, but there's a small thing about it. This is not an auto, but then in the game, it's like it goes by to like The second thing, it can shoot up to 50 meters, 50 feet. And the third thing, it shoots crystal balls. So that's what I love about this. So, thank you for watching Chef Kicha. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.